We're using Cusa board panels to connect between the catamaran hulls. And in this case right now, I'm doing the 3/4 inch lower hull. That's going to be connecting the rowing shell as the middle hull, as well as making that sort of lower internal deck that goes across and adds a lot of structural strength. And you can see I'm using a piece of extruded aluminum to help convince the Cusa board to take the bend in the one direction with these ratchet straps, pulling them tight. And so now you can see I'm just sort of figuring out how I'm going to support it to be able to get access all around it and pull the fiberglass up on it while it's, while I'm actually spreading the resin. So once I got this, and I got clamps to hold the edges that are, that are aligned to help keep that seam nice and tight between the two panels. Pre-cut all of the fiberglass so that way I wasn't going to be messing with cutting it and all that kind of stuff while the epoxy had already been mixed up. So in this case, I think this is 24 ounce roving that I'm using to join these together. Nice strong pieces, because this is going to be what's taking the load of that center hull, connecting it to the outer shells. So yeah, after wetting it out, I would roll back the next piece of the fiberglass and then wet out the overlapped area. And so we'll be doing this a few more times. I'm doing this here while the students are away over Thanksgiving break, just to keep up with our schedule, and also just kind of refresh myself since I haven't done anything of this size in a while. And that way it'll be a little bit easier to be instructing them on how to do this stuff now that it'll be a little bit fresher in my mind, some of the little quirks and things that I was working around. Stay tuned for more updates in the future.